Hello, this is Shahzad Rabbani from Forex Learning Hub. Today I'm gonna view Aussie US dollar, a trading setup. This is normally set up for swing trading, so this could be helpful for traders. Either you trade micro or mini or right. So before jumping to charts, let's have a disclosure from my side. This video is only for educational purposes, and FX tradings carry high leverage and isn't suitable for all investors. Right? So let's jump up to the chart. Today, as I have told you that I have to make a setup in Aussie dollar, right? So let's jump up into the chart. Now, as you have seen the chart, this is the naked chart. I don't have input any indicator on this chart because I believe that all indicators are just lagging indicators. They just, you may say, calculate the previous things and on behalf of the previous things just to predict, right? You are basically in the market where trillions of dollars have been traded on a daily basis. I mean, trillions of dollars transactions have been made on daily basis. So you don't really predict. This is my firm belief that nobody in this world can exactly predict what will be happened. So you basically take risk on some certain points. My aim is just to provide you a clue. This could be a a trading setup, or this can be helpful in any trading environment. Either you trade index, stocks, or shares, or in everything, right? So as I've just told you that I don't have put any indicators. I'm just gonna try to read the market through candlesticks and gonna just use a trend line. My aim is to buy anything, like example of the Aussie dollar, to buy on a lower point and to sell on a higher point, right? But I don't concern when I buy in anything, but I just need to know where the market is going, or what basically candles telling me, right? So in order to know this, first you have to know the bigger picture. For this, it should be much better and easy for you just to zoom in and to make a review basically what have happened, right? As this chart has clearly indicated me the sell trend right from here to here, and the buying trend from here to here, right? So currently there is a buying trend. Before this there was a sell trend. How I came to know? Because of the candles. From this point to this point, the candles are creeping down and down and down and down and down, right? And from this particular point to this point, the candles are in from up to up to up to up to up, right? So you can say from here to here there was a sell, 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 sell. Now the question is, you have to be sold, you have to be sold, right? When to sell? This is the important question, right? For this you have to read the candles, right? So I just zoom in further and grab myself about analyzing this. This could be as much as your computer screen does have the chart, so that it can easily be understood. The upward candles are downward candles, right? So let's presume, this is not a presumption, in fact this has already been happened, and as I've told you, this is only for educational purposes. So you have to read the market, and market will basically tell you now it's time to buy or it's time to sell, right? So just stay with me and stay tuned. This could be helpful for you and for every beginners or even the intermediate sort of traders, right? So when I made cursor on this point, I'm talking about the January 2016, right? From January 2016 up till the, hold on a second, right, the April of 2016, as you can see, the candles are in upwards. Sometimes, some days, you can see the you can have big candles. The other days you can have shorter candles, right? So I'm not here to identify about the candles or their patterns. This is just enough for me whether the candles are green and up or candles are white and down, right? From this point, January 2016 to up till April 2016, the prices were going up, right, as candle clearly seen. Okay, right. On this point, I need to invite you people's attention on some specific candles, which I'm calling the pivot candles, right? As from these points, you can see there was buy. On this candle, right, the buying has stopped, right? So I don't concern about the shape of this candle, or either it could be a hammer, or it could be any sort of like dodgy or shooting star or something like this. But I just understand and memorize that this is the price rejection candle. From this candle, the prices were gone down. So I have taken notice of this candle and paying attention and call this candle pivot candle, right? Okay, after this, there was a sell on this particular point, right? On this point, the price were rejected again from further downsiding, and the prices were up, right? So this could also be a pivot point for me, right? So this is the second thing which I have learned. Firstly, in a buying trend, because the candles were moving from downward to upward, and secondly, the pivot candles, right, so which is clearly seen to me. Okay, the first point, first thing which we have achieved so far is that about the candles, about the pivot candles, are price rejection candles. So I paid attention on price rejection candles. Okay, after this, I need to enter into this market in a buying position, but I have to make some certain rules, right? By definition, an uptrend when the market has higher high and higher low, right? For example, in this candle, right, this is the low point, right? For your convenience, I just make a horizontal line over there, right? This is, the price rejection candle. This is the low, right? After low, there was a major high that consists over there. So this is high, right? Higher high. This is the low, and this is the high, right? Sorry, it wasn't higher high at this time, as I don't just concerned the candles which are creeping one by one. I just pay attention a smoother move, right? A smoother move which may consist 7 days, 8 days, or 9 days. right? So this is the high, and after this high the market has this low, right? This is called the higher low, right? This is the low, this is the high, and this high is lows, higher low, right? After this low, the market was in uptrend, buy, and stopped on this price, which is higher than this previous high, right? So by definition, this is the uptrend, right? Guys, I really apologize. I have to stop over there, but I'm gonna share so far all this in my YouTube as well. So keep watching. Stay tuned. I'm going to share the second video in just a couple of times. Right? Thank you very much.